Hi everyone, Daisy here with another layout for, I'm doing a combination of Quilters vibe and then there is a Just a Girl hop going on. It's a challenge that's in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit group, and then also it's just a hop going on in YouTube and Instagram. So yeah. So the quilt was my inspiration, and I found this cut file. It's a mandala cut file from Jelly Bean Soup that I got on the Silhouette Design store, and I cut it out 3 times using some mirror paper from Cardstock Warehouse in pink, purple, and blue. And I thought I wanted to do something fun and colorful, and this layout, I mean, it gave me such trouble. So originally it was going to be a layout of me and my daughters doing yoga. Yoga is something like I've recently taken up, and I've kind of fallen off the wagon in this last month, and I totally feel like horrible all the time. So I know that it's definitely something that I want to do as a lifestyle change. But anyhow, so I thought the mandala would be perfect for that, but I just couldn't get it to work. I tried, I mean, you can ask Christy. I sent her probably 6 photos of different layout options, and no, I didn't like any of them. So I ended up changing my photo, and I like this way more. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these, like the flower portion of the mandala, and I am layering them up so that they're just a little offset. I felt like that looked really similar to the, I think it's called like a Dresden flower, that is our inspiration quilt for this month. And I chose to use a white background. Now you saw earlier I did some stitching. I just used white thread and stitched around the outside edge, just for some added detail. And now I felt like it was just a little too plain. So I am using this foils. This is from Shimmer's Paints, and this is a mother of pearl. So it has a very pearlescent finish to it. It goes on similar to texture paste. It's, you know, not quite as thick as most texture paste, but it is pretty thick. You could definitely use it through a stencil. I'm doing it in kind of a thin layer here. I'm sorry if you can hear my washing machine in the background. I do apologize. Hopefully it's not too distracting, but if I don't do some laundry, I'm not going to have anything to wear to work tomorrow. So anyhow, so I'm just using an old Starbucks card and scraping it onto the background, and adds this nice shimmer to the background, but you can't really see it. Like, it's clear other than adding the pearlescent shimmer to it. And I really liked that. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but my dog just let it rip. Holy cow. Okay, sorry. Too many distractions going on. So I really liked the shimmer in the background. I didn't do it all the way to the edges. I just did it around where that mandala flower was going to go. You can see off to the right hand side there that I have all of the like inside pieces that were supposed to be part of the mandala, and I don't end up using them. I had originally thought about using them as embellishments, but that doesn't work out. So I'm pulling out these letter stickers. These are Remarks by American Crafts, and it's a sticker book, and I've had this for a long time. These stickers are not sticky hardly at all, and I've used them enough where I have very limited choices in my letters. So I decided I wanted to do kind of my title going around the outside of the flower, and my title is going to be Just a Girl Who Loves Her Dog, because it's my oldest daughter cuddling with our dog Hermione. And yeah, so I wasn't sure like the spacing of my letters or where I wanted my words to be, so you see me kind of playing around with this for a few minutes here. and then trying to find the right letters for, you know, there's an uppercase and a lowercase font and it's in 2 different sizes, so I have to find ones that match. And I really like the white on white tone. It's hard to tell on the video and even in the close-ups, but with the shimmer behind it, the letter stickers really kind of stand out. I do end up stitching these on because, again, they're not going to stay on their own, and I could not be bothered to put glue under each one of them. That just seemed like so much work because they're pretty skinny letters on top of that, so I just feel like that would have been very frustrating. So just kind of sticking them down, getting them to stick as well as I can. That foils paste that I put on the background is still a little bit tacky, so that's helping hold them down. And then I'm going to pull my sewing machine back up and stitch around kind of in almost like a circle or half circle shapes, which I left in the video so you can see that. So this is my sewing machine. I had bought this about 10 years ago at Walmart. It's the Project Runway Brother sewing machine. I think I got it for like $115 or something like that. And I love it. It still works great. I try to take care of it. Although stitching through adhesive, I do that a lot actually, so that's not really good for your sewing machine. But again, this time my stickers weren't sticky at all, so it worked out. Okay, so now I'm like, I have no idea what to do now. And I know you can't see the title. In person, you can see the white on white title a lot better. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to embellish, how I want to do this, and I pull in a few clear stickers because I thought that that would be the best. So I have these from Indian Summer by Pretty Little Studio from I think last year, and so I'm going to pull in a few of these. There's some X's, and then I think that's all I pull in from there. Oh, and then these little arrows because I wanted to show like the way you read the title. And then I have this Amy Tangerine book from Shine On, I believe, and I thought some of the white stickers, so I could do more white on white. And so I'm going to use some hearts, and these are printed white but clear stickers, if that makes any sense. And so again, I apologize, it's really hard to see on camera, but they're there. And then I add that little word love underneath the photo. And then I pull out some sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and I pull out some old mixes. So this one is, I think, Fab Fuchsia, and then Trippy Tanzanite, and Starry Night, I think, is the other one. And these are all older ones. They're not available in the shop anymore. But I have, like I've said before, I have quite the collection, so I need to start using even the older ones. Even though I want to use all the new stuff, sometimes you got to use up some of what you have. So I stuck some of them down using my Zots glue dots. The blings ones are the ones that I like to use for my sequins, and then there's some of them that were too small for even the glue dots, so I had to use glue for that. And I'm just kind of, I don't even know what this is that I'm creating. I added the sequins to the end of the like words and then just extended them, so it's kind of like straight lines going down each side of this circle. And then I put some sequin in between each of the words. And I felt like I still needed something else. Like, it's so hard to see the title on this. I felt like I needed a little bit more. So I'm going to pull in some more of those clear stickers. A blue one for the bottom, and then a pink one up for the top. And then I'm going to pull in a phrase sticker that says right now from the Amy Tangerine, and some black hearts. And then for the top, I'm going to put Lovely from the Pink Pretty Little Studio sticker sheets. And then that's pretty much going to be it. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hop around. So there's going to be, I'll have links to my Quilters Vibe ladies, and then also the links to everybody who's playing along with the Just a Girl hop. Definitely hop around, give some thumbs up, leave a little love. We all appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.